I wanted to chat to you about Traffolyte, what Traffolyte is, what it isn't, and a little bit of a history lesson on Traffolyte. The word Traffolyte in the dictionary says a multi-core, meaning 2 or 3, phenolic product that is used for engraving, signage and wayfinding systems. So this was a product that came into the market some 30 to 40 years ago. It was originally made by Formica, Laminex and Melamine. It was a very hard resiny product that wasn't the plastic that it is today. It has evolved, and that brand name, Traffolyte, no longer exists as a product. Some 30 years ago, Rowmark produced a multi-core plastic product, which is exactly the same description that you have for Traffolyte. So Rowmark is the modern day Traffolyte. We were the first to produce a product that is exactly what Traffolyte is used for. So I want to have a talk to you about some of our products that we use in the Traffolyte industry, or understanding of what you use Traffolyte for. Some industries that Traffolyte would be used for would be the industrial engraving industry, would definitely be wayfinding, definitely braille, safety systems, personalisation market, the promotional market, and a larger signage market. You could talk the solar industry, the power industry. Many different industries use the labelling of what you would call Traffolyte. And Rowmark's multi-core plastic goes into all these different range of industries. Here's a couple examples of modern day Traffolyte and what it actually is. It is the multi-core product that we described. It has a cap with a core colour, either a white or a black, maybe a red or a blue. Here we have the laser lights. We've got a wood grain finish with a white core. We've also got a blue with a white core. We've got a metal finish, a smooth silver with a black core, the blue with a white core. We've also got the blue with the white core here. There's a few different ones. This here is the metal graph range. Metal front, which is a nickel front with a black core. We've also got the common white black here. White black here could be used for electrical labels. When you talk Traffolyte signage, as I said before, multi-core product. We came out with the tri-layer, which has 3 layers. You've got the initial cap colour, then another colour underneath, and then your core colour. So you've got your white, red, black, as you see here in the tri-layer range. White being the top colour, red being the first cap, and then black being the core colour. And you can see the actual black edge here. You can see the black edge here on the actual product. When it comes to Traffolyte signage, Rowmark produces our core products and our sheets for all markets when it comes to wayfinding systems, braille signage, safety labels and personalisation products. Rowmark sheet is truly the modern Traffolyte available today.